The harvesting festival called Koil Podu is celebrated by which state indigenous community? Option D, Karnataka. When is the National Science Day celebrated to commemorate the contribution of C.V. Raman? Option A, 28th February. Who is the founder of Facebook? Option A, Mark Zuckerberg. Padma Vibhushan is the dash civilian award of India. Option D, second highest. Meenakshi temple is located in which Indian state? Option C, Tamil Nadu. To scale Mount Everest, mountaineers need to go which country? Option C, Nepal. Who among the following is a flute player? Option A, Hariprasad Chaurasia. From which Indian state did Varli Heart originate? Option A, Maharashtra. What was India's first national park? Option B, Jim Corbett National Park. What is the currency of Japan? How many non-permanent members does the UN Security Council have? Option A, 10. The book Delhi is Not Far is written by which of the following authors? Option D, Ruskin Bond. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Option A, Sukumar Sen. The term putt is used in which sport? Option C, golf. In the context of Niti Aayog, what does T stand for in Niti? Option C, transforming. In which year did the independent India win its first Olympic gold in the game of hockey? Option C 1948. Project Masam, which was launched in June 2014, is an initiative of. Option D Ministry of Culture. Who is the director of the film PM Narendra Modi? Option B Vamang Kumar. The Purna Kumbh Mela takes place every dash years at one of the four places by rotation: Prayag, Haridwar, Ujjain and Nasik. Option A 12. The capital city of Canada is. Option C Ottawa. The Buddhist sites Vaishali and Nalanda are situated in which state? Option B Bihar. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.